Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today's video, this is the look I'm going to be creating for you guys. I'm really excited about this video because this is the first fall look, because I think this season of the year is fall. This is where we get all the dark looks, and this is the first dark look I'm going to be presenting for you guys. I hope you like it, and if you do, then please keep on watching, and if at the end you enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel down below, and also turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss a single upload. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, I'm going to be starting out with my foundation. As you can see, my face is glowing for the god. That is because I just applied my skin prep, argan oil basically. So I'm going to be going into my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. This is the foundation, by the way. I went on to apply my Lagirl Pro concealer on my face, as you can see. So I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend it out. As my concealer is well blended to filth, I'm going to go into my Zaron face definer. I'm going to use that to sculpt out my face. Now we're done with the contour. I'm going to use that same contour shade and just pack that on my crease. The steps to this look is very unpredictable. You would think that I was going to go straight into my powder after concealer, but no, I switched it up for you guys. Contour, eyeshadow, like who knows what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go into my benign banana powder, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer. But first of all, you know that we have to reblend those creases, like all those creases. We need to put them back in place because we don't want no crease in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go quickly into the concealer and yeah. Okay guys, so I did my blush off camera and also did my liner. Now, because I'm not going to be applying any eyeshadow at the top of my eye, I want the lower lash line to be a bit smoked out. So I'm going to be using this shade right here mixed with this shade together. So I'm going to be blending that underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go do my lashes off camera. I already have a lash tutorial which I just uploaded not long ago, so I'm going to leave a card here so you can check it out if you're interested in learning how to apply lashes, because I was really okay, that was too much. I was really detailed in the lash tutorial, so I would recommend you check that out after you finish watching this video to learn the basics of lashes. I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is an eyeshadow shade from the Mood Beauty Online Pro 1 palette, and let me tell you guys, this shade right here, this shade is the plug. Like, this shade is so beautiful. Like, I wish all eyeshadow can come in this formula because it feels wet and it looks so, oh my god, can you all see my nose? That's what I applied. It's really so good and I am obsessed with it. I love it. So I'm just going to apply that at the highest point of my cheek. It's kind of scared to put it on my cheeks because I feel like it's going to be a bit much, but the glow is like, oh my god, oh my god. Like, I'm actually applying the barest minimum, but damn. Ooh. Because my eyes are all muted, there's no eyeshadow on it, I'm gonna go dark with my lipstick. Going in with this, I don't know what color this would be. It's actually crushed right now, so I'm gonna go in with it. It's a dark lipstick though, and I'm going to be applying that on my lips. I mean, are we in fall yet? Is this fall? Because here we don't have no fall or winter. We just have rain or sun. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Please leave your thoughts about this look in comment section, and also leave your video request in the comment section so that I will know what videos you guys want to see from me. Also, if you want to see more from me, then please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Mathildaduku. It's no longer Mathilda___beauty anymore. If you guys have been following me for some time, you will know that that was my old Instagram username, but now it is Mathildaduku. So please check me out there. You guys are going to see more than what you see on YouTube there. So please check me out there, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.